Hello everyone, this is Molly. Today I will share with you ratchet straps. Ratchet straps are hand tool used to secure, tie, and tighten cargo. Compared to chain straps, they offer advantages in flexibility, time saving, labor saving, and portability. Ratchet straps typically consist of three parts: a ratchet device, a webbing, and hooks. The ratchet device contains a ratchet and pull hooks, providing a locking device. The webbing, typically made of high-strength polyester or nylon, serves as a connection. The hooks are attached to each end of the webbing and hook onto anchor posts on cargo. Ratchet straps are currently widely used in logistics and transportation, moving, outdoor activities, construction. In the next video, I will explain how to choose a ratchet strap. Bye bye.